Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join Alliance inside Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is keep playing the game until we are about Town Center level 6. I'm pretty certain Town Center either 4 or 6. Now once you've done that, you're going to unlock these options at the bottom here: Conquest, Heroes, Backpack, etc. So we want to click on Alliance to join. So to join Alliance, we can go ahead and create an Alliance or join one. But if you want to go ahead and join, click on Join Now. Then from here, we can scroll down all the different alliances. We can go apply or join. So just find the one that kind of meets your goals or needs, and then click on the apply or join button. As you play the game, I've noticed other alliances will reach out to you and ask you to join their alliance as well. Because in my invite request, I've currently got 4 invites or requests while playing the game up to town level number 9.